Hey everybody, I just wanted to do this video. It's a little short video and it is about saying thank you and updates. And the thank you is we have reached over 100 subscribers. That is so wonderful. I couldn't be more happy that we have hit this. I didn't think we'd even hit 100. So thank you so much for doing that. And on that note, I wanted to give you guys an update of things that are coming up. So, stay subscribed. Don't forget to like the videos. It helps the channel, okay? And so, well, let's go into it. So the updates are the hood. The hood has not been done and finished yet. So we have here, just a quick look, we have one of the shocks in, right? So if you open up all the way, it stays up. Actually, these shocks are amazing. And I'm looking forward to putting the other one on. So I got that to record. We have the bumper. The bumper is not complete. I still have to hook up the hitch and get the winch set up and hooked up. We've got to finish drilling the holes, all that stuff. So there's that. Around the corner here, we have suspension parts sitting on the shelf just waiting and begging to be put into the Bronco, and so we can get our lift done on the Bronco. We have a whole bunch of parts in here that we're going to be using for like painting, doing the truck liner for the floor and stuff like that. That's in there. Over here we have more suspension parts. Yes, more that can't wait to put in. And this is our new workbench. Got it all set up. Still need to organize some things, but it's coming along pretty great. And you can never hurt to have a little YouTube channel set up there. As we move along, we have the welding. Well, you guys have not seen me do any welding yet. I am not a professional welder by all means, but I do know how to weld, and I do have the welder here, and there's some things I want to get done on welding on the Bronco as well, from putting D-rings on the bumper to a lot of other stuff. So, and as we move on, we have air compressor, we have our fender flares, and then moving forward, we also have still some more garage stuff we're going to do as well, which includes putting in some LED lighting. These are actually LEDs inside of here, not halogens or whatnot. So want to try to figure out if I want to put these vertically or horizontally. Feel free to comment if you think they would be better for lighting in here. I haven't done this before, so I could bring you guys along on that journey as well. And we have a whole bunch of additional parts we've added. Like we got new jack stands and stuff so that we can get the Bronco up and tires off. We even have some more steering component parts here, and then that we need to install. And then to add to our video stuff, we have, we've got a tripod going on here. We got a tripod over there and a tripod over here. So we're really putting everything together so we could try to do as good a video as we can for non-videography people. Just so that we can share our progress and what we've been doing to the garage and as well to the Bronco. And that's about it for right now. We have a whole bunch more stuff coming up that we want to do to the Bronco that's not even in this garage yet, but it's all going to come over time. And as we move back over here, don't forget to tell your friends to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out and keeps us going. And just want to say thank you guys. From the bottom of my heart, it's been wonderful. I love doing this journey with you guys and just can't wait to see what happens next. Let's reach for 500 next. So thank you again. Bye.